Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurul Fariza binti Jumaid and I would like to present to you about taxonomy description of Delphinus delphis. The kingdom Animalia includes a diverse group of organisms, with one of the most fascinating being the Delphinus delphis, commonly known as the common dolphin. Belonging to the phylum Chordata and class Mammalia, these marine mammals are classified under the order Cetacea and suborder Odontoceta. Within the family Delphinidae, they are grouped under the genus Delphinus. Known for their playful nature and high intelligence, common dolphins are highly social creatures that can be found in the ocean around the world.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nuraina Husna binti Jamil. Now, I will present about the habitat of Delphinus delphis. Firstly, Delphinus delphis prefer warm tropical to cool temperate water that are primarily offshore. They can be found along the continental slope in water between 650 to 6,500 feet deep. Delphinus delphis is typically associated with water that have surface temperature ranging from 10 to 28 degrees Celsius by Samich and Kovac 2015. Next, in the western North Atlantic, they are often associated with Gulf Stream current. Delphinus delphis also prefer water altered by underwater geologic features such as underwater ridges and seamount, where upwelling occurs, increasing nutrient concentration and supporting higher productivity. Furthermore, habitats of Delphinus delphis also inhabit by small epipelagic fishes such as anchovies and sardines. Moreover, they can be found on the continental shelf or farther offshore. Delphinus delphis primarily inhabits tropical and temperate waters of the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans by Evans 2002. Distinct populations can be found of Northern Europe, Newfoundland, Africa, Japan, Southern Australia, New Zealand, in the Black Sea, the Mediterranean Sea, and lastly, the Southwestern Pacific. This is because the abundance and distribution of dolphin vary based on interannual changes, oceanographic conditions, and seasons. However, the unfortunate issues right now is Russia, Japan, and nations bordering the Black Sea and the Mediterranean Sea to hunt Delphinus delphis for their meat and oil.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Farazia and I will talk about the characteristic of Delphinus delphis. The first point of morphology of Delphinus delphis are general description. The Delphinus delphis exhibits significant size, present throughout its life stage, which adult males reaching up to 2.7 meters and a weight of up to 200 kilograms, while the Delphinus delphis has distinct colors and patterns that have it blend and be recognized. It has a dark patch around each eye, adding to its unique face markings, a yellowish or tan patch along the sides from its signature hourglass or crisscross pattern. The head of Delphinus delphis has a clear line, which is distinguished between the forehead and beak that separates the forehead from its long, narrow beak, which is sometimes bite at the tip and help to catch prey. There is also a dark line running from the lower jaw to the flipper, which makes the dolphin's body look more streamlined and adds to its unique coloring. The Delphinus delphis has a tall, curved dorsal fin with a pointed tip that sometimes has a lighter patch in the center. It also has a dark grey or black flipper that contrasts with the pale body, helping it move easily in the water. For the next characteristic I will explain is the mode of nutrition is heterotrophic. The first aspect is carnivorous diet. The Delphinus delphis eats a carnivorous diet, meaning it depends on other animals for food. It mainly consumes different types of fish and squid, showing its need for live prey. This includes small fish like anchovies, sardines, and mackerel, as well as various squid species. The second aspect is prey capture and consumption. Delphinus delphis has teeth that are perfect for its diet. It has 80 to 100 conical teeth in each jaw, designed to grab and hold slippery fish and squid. These teeth help the carnivorous diet, as the dolphin relies on eating other animals for energy. And the third aspect is cooperative hunting. Common dolphins often hunt together in groups to catch prey more effectively. They work as a team to gather schools of fish into tight groups called bivalves. Lastly, feeding habits. Common dolphins have feeding habits that involve chasing and capturing fast-moving prey like fish and squid. This hunting requires a lot of coordination and energy, highlighting their role as active predator in the ocean. They must be quick and agile to catch their prey, which show their important place in the marine.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurdina Akila and I'm going to present about the dolphin life cycle. So in general, the life cycle of dolphin typically produce offspring every 1.5 to 3 years. So the first phase is the newborn phase, as you can see, which dolphins are born around 1 meter length and weigh around 20 to 30 kilograms. This phase typically lasts for a few weeks to a few months. So the next phase is the juvenile phase, where they will begin to learn how to swim and how to catch fish, and they will also begin to form social bonds with the other dolphin. Next, as they enter the adolescent phase, dolphins reach sexual maturity and begin to participate in social and mating behaviors. They will start to form pairs or small groups for mating. Then, when dolphins reach the adult and the aging phase, their body function begin to decline and they may become less active and more vulnerable to disease and injury and will eventually pass away. So I will explain the detail about the adolescent phase where the mating process happened. Before knowing the mating's work, we need to know the reproductive system of the dolphins. So in brief, the dolphin reproduction is produced sexually and not asexually. So as you can see here is the reproductive system of the dolphins, where the dolphin reproductive organs are located within the body, having genital slits on the ventral, which is the belly side, where the males have two slits, one of the penis and one further back for the anus, while female have one genital slit that consists of the vagina and anus, and a mammary slit on the other side. The dolphin mate in a belly-to-belly position near the surface of the water. Similar to other mammals, fertilization is internal. We already know that reproduction process happen at adolescent phase, where male dolphin will form group to attract female by headbutting, stroking, and chasing one another. And also, dolphins are polygamous, meaning that they have more than one mate, and there is no mating season for dolphins. That's all for life cycle of dolphin. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Shaza Shamimi binti Azrul Nizam and I will be presenting about the importance of Delphinus delphis or dolphin to the economic and ecosystem. Firstly, I will talk about the importance of dolphin to the ecosystem. So the first point is predator roles. Dolphins are considered as apex predators, which means they are at the top of their food chain and have no natural predators hunting them down. So dolphins help to maintain the balance of marine ecosystem by controlling the population of fish and squid. So by controlling prey species, they ensure a balance in the marine food web, which supports the overall health of the ecosystem. The second importance of dolphins to the ecosystem is that biodiversity indicator. So as a species sensitive to the environmental changes, the health and population trends of common dolphins can serve as indicator of the overall health of marine environments. This means that their presence and well-being reflects the state of the marine ecosystem, highlighting areas that may need conservation efforts. Lastly, the nutrient cycling. Dolphins feed on a variety of marine organisms such as fish and squid. So during this feeding process, they consume nutrients stored in their prey. After digesting their food, dolphins excrete waste products including nitrogen, phosphorus, and other essential nutrients into the water column. So these nutrients are in a form that is readily available for uptake by primary producers such as phytoplankton. Moving on, I will be talking about the importance of Delphinus delphis to economy. Firstly, scientific research and education. Dolphins are subject of extensive scientific research, which can have economic benefits. Research funding supports jobs for scientists, conservationists, and related fields. So the knowledge gained can also inform better management practices for marine resources, promoting sustainable use of ocean ecosystem. So the second point is ecotourism. Dolphins are a major attraction for marine ecotourism, which includes activities such as dolphin watching tours and dolphin swimming experiences. So this tourism can significantly contribute to local economies, particularly in coastal areas. This tourism supports jobs and businesses in coastal communities, including tour operators, hotels, restaurants. Lastly, conservation funding. The charismatic nature of dolphins makes them effective flagship species for marine conservation campaigns. Their popularity can draw attention to broader environmental issues such as ocean pollution and overfishing. These campaigns often attract significant funding and public support, which can be used for broader marine conservation efforts, indirectly benefiting the overall health of marine ecosystem.